Hi, English language learners. Great to see you here. My name is Mirbaz and I'm from the beautiful valley of Hunza, Pakistan. I'm a professional English language instructor with over 15 years of teaching experience. I'm glad to be here to help you achieve your English language goals. Over the past 15 years, I've taught students of diverse background and age groups. I've taught young children, teenagers, adults, as well as professionals. In my classes, I strive to create a comfortable and encouraging atmosphere so that you feel comfortable to learn, ask questions, and interact with confidence. My approach is student-centered, and I love to integrate the different skills of English language. After each lesson, I provide a detailed feedback so you get the opportunity to learn about the areas you are doing good and the areas we need to work on. Whether you are looking to improve your spoken English, your academic English, or you are preparing for your IELTS or TOEFL exams, or perhaps you are a student who needs assistance in reading, listening, speaking, writing, grammar, or vocabulary, I may help you out. So please move ahead, book your trial lesson now. Meet you in the class. Bye.